Imagine this. You step off the plane, grab your bag, and you've got just 24 hours in New York City. No time to waste. What would you see? What would you feel? What story would you leave with? Today, I'm taking you on a whirlwind journey, the perfect one-day New York City itinerary. Landmarks, hidden gems, food, culture, all crammed into just one sunrise to sunset. Let's go! Your day begins in Lower Manhattan. First stop, Battery Park. From here, you get your first glimpse of the Statue of Liberty, an icon of freedom and hope. If you have time, hop on a ferry to Liberty Island to walk among history. Back on the mainland, wander through the financial district, Wall Street, the Charging Bull, Trinity Church, and pause at the 9/11 Memorial. There's a solemn beauty there, a reminder of where NYC's strength comes from. By mid-morning, head to Brooklyn Bridge. Walk or bike across, enjoying views of Manhattan's skyline mirrored in the East River. On the Brooklyn side, take in the cobblestone streets of DUMBO. Maybe grab a coffee with a view. Next, Midtown. Hop on the subway or grab a cab up to Times Square. It's chaotic, neon-lit, overwhelming, but it's NYC. Then, just a few blocks away, the Grand Central Terminal. Marble, chandeliers, that celestial ceiling. For lunch, find something quick but local. Maybe a classic deli, a food cart hot dog, or thin-crust New York slice of pizza. Fuel for more walking. After lunch, escape into Central Park. It's the city's lungs. Meander past Bow Bridge, the Mall, Bethesda Terrace. It's where locals jog, artists sketch, visitors unwind. If you like art, swing by the Metropolitan Museum of Art or the Museum of Modern Art, MoMA. Even an hour there gives you a glimpse of masterpieces. With night fully drawn, wander back through Times Square or along the riverfront. Hear the distant hum of traffic, the echoes of conversations, the glow of lights that never sleep. In just one day, you've touched history, art, culture, food, and that unbeatable spirit of New York. Maybe you didn't see everything, but you felt New York. So if you only had one day in NYC, make it count. What would you skip? What would you double back for? Let me know in the comments. Until the next adventure.